Namaste and a very happy new year to all of you. We are coming back with a special edition from Baby Heart India. The question is, how is meal times going on between you and the child? Have you ever felt it is like a shooting match? Take your food, take your food, take your food. And the baby says, no, I won't. If that is the situation, something needs to be done. Food is ultimately a source of joy. Now, if food is a source of joy, then children with heart diseases need a little bit more care because their metabolic rates are higher and they burn out the food and the energy very fast. So sometimes they do not grow like the other children. Now what happens is that in science we call food as carbohydrate and protein and vitamins, minerals, fats, water, roughage. Now as I open my tiffin box, I am expecting, wow, Mama has given me yummy pasta. And what I get? I get a carrot. Tell me, which small child will like that? So let us try some tips to make tasty bites for small hearts. First of all, let us be very sure about breast milk. Breast milk is the best milk. Your body makes the best milk for your baby. Please do not rely on any commercial formulas or milk fortifiers unless prescribed by the doctors, and as soon as possible, please switch over to breast milk. Now, as your child is near 6 months of age, the child is exploring. The child wants something tasty. And then what do? We give healthy alternatives. For example, we can make a puree of apple, boiled cooked apple, banana, mash it and give it with your milk. We can use healthy substitutes like broken wheat or broken rice or ragi or chura gundo or sattu, depending upon which locality you are there. We never have to buy outside foods for anything. Now every week we will try to sort of add some taste to this food. So one by one, the same carrot, we will chop it and make it into a nice carrot puree and mix it with rice. We can use capsicums, we can use peas, spinach, actually every vegetable and fruit, provided the child is not allergic to it. So let us give these foods for one food for 1 week and then change over and then start another food and see how the child tolerates. Now fat. Where does fat comes from? Fat can come from very simple sources like peanuts, provided no peanut allergy, or you can make homemade ghee and put a few drops in the baby's food. The only thing that we as pediatricians tell not to do is do not add salt and do not add cow's milk before the first birthday because this can lead to different problems in the children. Now, another very important thing is, can we twist it a bit? It's a little bigger children, say a 4-year-old. So when it opens the box, they say, oh wow, there is a green pasta. What is that? That is spinach laden with pasta. But the child is very happy. Oh my, I have a red paratha today, you know. The red paratha is a beetroot paratha. Oh, broccoli. Wow, broccoli with cream. So this is the way I think that we can all make the food tastier and the food appropriate for the growing hearts and make the child enjoy the food, grow up and be ready with all immunity and strength. And to the last, We are making a special wrap for those small kids who want to eat and grow. Veggies on my plate, crunchy and bright, keep my heart strong morning to night. Fruits so juicy, colors that shine. One bite at a time the heart feels fine. Grains and pulses, power in a bowl. Energy rising, making me whole. Less salt, no fries, no trans fat. Healthy food is yummy, imagine that. Eat with a smile, dance as you chew. Happy heart, healthy, me and you. And as we cheer, let's all mix. Happy New Year! Welcome 2026!